Today we're gonna do some protective styling, and right now I'm just doing some detangling before putting my whole head into braids. I just used some water, sprayed some water on there, and I used a little bit of olive oil to add some slip for detangling. And this is more of a style that I'll put in my hair pre-wash so that everything's detangled before I wash.
Approximately 10 hours later.
And here is the finished result. It took me about 5 hours. I gotta take a lunch break in the middle, make sure I'm drinking some water, and my hair was just super tangled and almost dreading after a week and some change of fluffing the fro. I'm just gonna show different styles that you can do with your protective style, so you can make it like look cute, so it's not like you out here looking like Felicia. And all throughout this video, I was listening to music, so if you catch me dancing, it is what it is. Now this look is like the Felicia, but you make it look sassy. Period. Alright, I'd like to thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you come back to my channel, subscribe, hit that, notification button if you want to, know when I post some more, and like and comment under this video.